Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ's two types of 27-inch gaming LCDs. So friend, BenQ gaming brand MOBIUZ offers the 27-inch LCD displays, the EX270M and EX270QM, and friend, both will be available on 26th October. And friend, both have a high refresh rate of 240Hz and response time of 1 millisecond, which allows for the seamless expression for fast moving picture. And furthermore, the original technology HDRi that enables rich color expression, three gaming modes of FPS, RPG and racing, and light tuner that can fine tune brightness, and black equalizer that increases vision in dark settings are available. And from the interface of model EX270M is HDMI 2.0 into 2, DisplayPort 1.4 into 1, the speaker is 2 watt into 2 plus 5 watt woofer 2.1 channel treble speaker, and the stand has a pivot range of -5 to 15 degree and swivel range of -15 to 15 degree and height range of 100 mm. And trend, the EX270QM has a interface of HDMI 2.1 into 2, DisplayPort 1.4 into 1, the speaker is 2 watt into 2 plus 5 watt woofer. And friend, the EX270M model has Full HD resolution, but EX270QM model has WQHD resolution and around 1.07 billion display colors. And friend, other features of both monitors are same. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.